Virgo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 28 to September 3, 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets for manifestations of protection, healing, love, and money. So available na po yan sa Shopee at sa TikTok. Ang link ay nasa description. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. So Virgo, happy solar return. It's Virgo season. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. Happiness and success. And of course, good health. So, this is your weekly reading. Maari kayong makarelate dito. Maaring hindi. Dahil ito ay isang general reading lang. So, just take what resonates. And then also, just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So, let us see, Virgo, what's up for this week. August 28 to September 3. So, you have Gazelle. Change of direction. Change of plans. Oo, may pagbabago sa mga gusto nyong tahakin. And this is also the energy of being flexible, agile, adaptable. So, kahit na may nagbago, pwede kasing nasa control mo yung pagbabago na yan. Pwede namang hindi mo kontrolado. Pero it doesn't matter, no? Kasi kaya mong mag-adapt doon sa change na yon, sa pagbabago na yon. You also have Lava. Lava is about courage, determination, your passion. You are more determined ngayon, lalo na kung itong pagbabago na to, ikaw yung nagsimula nito or ikaw yung gumawa nito. Kasi it takes a lot of courage to make changes sa plano mo. So, you are changing your direction. Maaring pagbabago ng career, business, or yung mga dapat gagawin mo pero hindi mo na tinuloy, or meron ka ng ipinalit doon sa action na gagawin mo. You also have Peacock, self-love. You're going to celebrate yourself and all your magnificent light. So, you're going to focus on yourself. Maari kasing iba sa inyo mas nagfo-focus sa ibang tao and na-realize nyo na, teka, bakit puro doon? Sa kanya umiikot yung buhay ko. Bakit hindi ko pa ikutin yung sarili ko sa buhay ko? Diba? Ganon. So, inisip nyo rin ngayon, yung sarili nyo, you are taking care of yourself. You also have Koi Carp. So, abundance. May abundance. Move with the flow of abundance around and through you. Wow. So, I think nakakita kayo ng mas magandang opportunity elsewhere. Pwede tong sa career, sa business, or even sa relationship. But this is abundance. So, I think may mas magandang plano for you. At kumbaga ikaw na, you are taking responsibility of the direction na gusto mong subukan. So ngayon, aware ka kung saan ka mas lalago, kung saan ka mas magiging maunlad, and you are willing to make that change. So let's see your overall energy, Virgo. You have Judgment. So Judgment is realigning yourself to who you really are. So this is like giving birth to a new you. This is a rebirth, transformation. You are transforming yourself. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? You have the Emperor. Ang challenge nyo ay minsan parang natatakot pa rin kayo na to take responsibility for your actions. But of course, it's a process, no? Na kapag nag-decide ka, alam mo dapat yung consequences ng decisions mo. Ang importante doon is kung paano mo siya paninindigan. And you take full responsibility of the consequences, diba? So, let's see your opportunity. Two of Pentacles. You have a lot of opportunities in career, in your business. Maaring meron kang dalawang pinagpipilian, no? Dalawang companies, dalawang field, area of life, or dalawang path na tatahakin mo. But for some of you, posible nyong pagsabayin to no? Pagsabayin tong mga business opportunities or pagsabayin tong earning opportunities for you. Pwede ring learning to, pwede ring business, or career na pwede mong i-multitask. And then your blessing is, wow, we were just talking about transformation and your blessing is transformation. This is an ending and a new beginning. Merong kailangang matapos para merong magsimula. So for some of you, this is, starting a new career, no? Pero kailangan meron kang iwanan. Kaya may nagbago sa iyong decision, sa direction mo. Because you feel na there is a greener pasture or the grass is greener on the other side. Okay? And there's nothing wrong with that kasi we are here to improve. Nandito tayo para mas mag-grow, i-improve yung sarili natin, yung situation natin. Okay? So, let us see what else for you, Virgo. Definitely, this is a brand new start. Very exciting to kasi mas maraming opportunities. Mas maganda yung pasok ng abundance sa inyo. You have Jupiter in Taurus in the second house. Second house rules money, your finances, your livelihood, your possessions. And this is Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet of good luck, expansion. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong achievement, no, sa inyong finances, sa career ninyo, sa business ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong leadership role na i-assume. Yung iba natatakot lang dun sa leadership role na yon, pero huwag kayong mag-alala, kaya nyo yan. You have the confidence that you need. Diba? Kaya nyo. You have the resources. So you have Sun in Cancer in the 4th house. 4th house is about your family, home life, and your stability. So, whatever this is na ipupursue ninyo, kaya nyo tong panindigan. Okay? Wag kayong mag-alala. Don't second guess yourself. Don't doubt yourself, no? Magtiwala ka. Ear. Hoy, may good news, 'di ba, Virgo? Ganda naman. Good news is coming. Meron kang maririnig na magandang balita. Let's see what else. You have key. Wow, you have successful outcome to your problems. So kung meron kang mga challenges na pinagdaanan in the past, ayan, hawak mo na yung susi ng tagumpay. Okay? Kaya siguro meron kang change ng direction kasi nakita mo na merong mas magandang opportunity na nag-open sa'yo and hindi mo palalagpasin yun. Get back to basics. Quill. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi mo na, kumbaga sisimplehan mo lang. Oo, simple lang ang mo rito, ang proseso na pagdadaanan mo. Hindi mo na siya i-complicate. You will just focus on your actions. You will just focus on the solution. Okay? To any issues na challenges na pagdadaanan mo. Embrace the power of dance and movement to access your highest guidance. So itong dance and movement na to, ito yung pagbabago-bago, no, ng kailangan mong suungin or proseso na kailangan mong suungin. 'Di ba pag tayo ay bumabiyahe, madalas yung directions is kakaliwa, kakanan, didiretso. So for you, ready ka doon sa mga changes na 'yan. You also have the Parrot. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It is time to embrace who you really are. Yes, you're being true to yourself. At yung mga naysayers, yung mga may mga laging opinion tungkol sa'yo, hindi mo na yon papansinin, no? Kasi mas kilala mo yung sarili mo. Hindi ka na magpapa-apekto sa sasabihin ng iba, sa opinion ng iba. Ang importante sa'yo is kung saan ka na papunta, ano na yung direction na tatahakin mo, ano yung kung paano ka mas magiging maunlad. Kasi dun mo lang may experience yung changes, no? Na hindi ka na naniniwala sa yung mga advice ng iba. Kasi usually, no, hindi naman lahat, but there are some advice na laging may doubts or laging may fears. So for you, maniniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan and you are divinely guided. You are accessing highest guidance right now. So ginaguide ka ng iyong mga spirit guides, ng iyong mga ancestors on which path to take. So, you are going to listen to them kasi you hold the key. Okay? So, that is your reading. Virgo, kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.